gorgeous. Like, what? I mean, you get what you get and you don't get upset. I mean, it was only $30, so. What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Claire, and thanks for coming here, or thanks for returning. So today we are going to get into yet another synthetic wig. So as you can see in my past two videos, my last two videos, I reviewed synthetic wig units. Child, when I tell you these wigs are like of a different breed. This particular wig, I want to actually look up this YouTuber. Her name is MoreLife on YouTube, so make sure you check out her channel. She reviewed this wig in the same exact color, and when I saw this unit on her, I was just like, oh my god, like I gotta grab it. It is a drop dead gorgeous, and plus I fell in love with the highlights, the curls, the everything. So by Freetress Equal, again, the name is Baby Hair 102, and I got her in the color 1B27. She has a 5-inch parting, meaning that it goes all the way back in the middle 5 inches. She is a lace centered part. What else? She does come with baby hair. Hopefully the baby hairs are not like the last unit I had. You can use heat on this unit up to 400 degrees. We will test that out. No, I won't. I'll put a little bit of heat on it, but I don't want to mess it up. I'm really like, I really need to hurry up because I'm losing sunlight, first of all. Anxious to see how this girl is going to look. Okay, all right, baby hair, let's get on my hair and let's do the hair. Here we go. I'm very corny. So honestly, I don't think I'm a big fan. I like the color. I like the streak of 27 in the front, but it's just, I don't know. I don't know if it's because I have twists underneath, but trust me, baby, I laid it down underneath. Underneath is tight and right, okay? But I just felt like I need some clips in this unit. There's no clip, there's no combs in this unit. I need some type of security. But the color is really nice. I like the 1B, I like the 27 1B, and I like where the color is on this hair. Ear to ear, it's quite comfortable. Like, it's not that bad at all. It's very snug. So I do feel like maybe that's why they didn't put combs in there, because it's a snug fit. I don't know. I do like the curl pattern. The curl pattern is really what got me, like, well, the color combination and the curl pattern. But I'm not a fan. I don't know. This might grow on me after I watch this video clip. Maybe I will love it. But let's get into this unit. It was not that bad at all, as you can see. But when I tell you, every time, like when I'm running my hands through this, baby, you are getting hair. Look, and I didn't even cut it. Nah, like, is she really synthetic? Yes, she's definitely coming out with me in the springtime. Yes, another spring baby. I'm late. I'm like so late to the game. I really am. But I'm catching up. I'm catching up because my collection is about to, what? She aight. She an 8. We're gonna give her an 8. No, we're gonna give her a 7.5. See, the only thing is, like, this part right here, I don't understand why it's not the same on the other side. I'm just really not understanding it. Like, I would definitely suggest some Sleek and Shine to kind of like, see, it's knotted at the end already, and I'm just, it hasn't even been an hour yet. Like, what is life? I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Sub because it's free. Yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys have a blessed week. Don't forget to check out the scripture of the week below in my description box. Everything that you need to know, the direct links to this unit, my hot comb, my everything that I'm using in this video is going to be linked down below. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well if you enjoyed this one. All right, guys, I hope you have a blessed and wonderful week, and I will see you next time. Be blessed always. Bye.